Are you worried your Gmail offline data stays on your computer after signing out? Learn how to remove it in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through Gmail settings to find the offline section, then clear the data and save changes. Let's start. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings panel. In the settings, click on Offline at the top bar. Locate the Security section within the offline settings. Click on Remove Offline Data from my computer. Then, click on Save Changes to confirm. Finally, click on Got It to complete the process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.